This is Legends Realty, and I'll be showing you the property at 1694 April Avenue in Deltona, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, single family home with 1,752 square footage. As we enter to the house, you'll find the living room to your left, straight ahead you'll find the kitchen with an in kitchen, family room, master bathroom, with the master bathroom, right across the kitchen you'll have the formal dining room, and the guest bathroom. Thank you for viewing the property at 1694 April Avenue in Deltona. This video was brought to you by Legends Realty.